Hey, how are you today? Come on, kiddos. It's time to read and play. It's Judy's story time. It's Judy's story time. It is. And this cute little book is called The Little Engine That Could. Can you say that with me? The little engine that could. Very good. You did really good. Okay, let's see what's in here. It's going to be so fun. Get ready. All right, beautiful pictures already. Fun looking stuff. Yes, okay. Let's get to the good stuff. All right, here we go. Now, oops, let's see. Chug, chug, chug. Puff, puff, puff. Ding dong, ding dong. The little train rumbled over the tracks. She was a happy little train. You see her? A happy little train. Yes, absolutely. For she had such a jolly load to carry. Her cars were filled full of good things for boys and girls. You see her? Don't look at those giraffes yet. Yes, there they are. Bears with almost no necks. Ooh, look at that. At all. And even a baby elephant. You see the baby elephant? Yeah. Then there were dolls too. Girls play with dolls. Dolls with blue eyes and yellow curls. Yes. Dolls. Yes. With brown eyes and brown bobbed heads. You see the dolls? Yes. Look at those dolls. They're cute, aren't they? Yes. But they're only dolls. Okay? All right. And it says, the funniest little toy clown you ever saw. And there were cars full of toy engines. Where's the clown? Yep, right there. There he is. Very good. Yes, you did good. Where's the dolls? There they are. There are the dolls. Yes. And then as we look over here, what do we see? Do you see some stuff? Can you name those things that you see? Huh? What do you see? You see an airplane? That's good. You see a book? That's good. How about a ball? Do you see a ball? Yes, you do. What else do you see? You see a truck? Yes. Look like a fire truck. Yes. And other toys and instruments. Oh, even a knife. We don't play with knives because knives will hurt us, won't they? Yes, they will. So we don't play with those. What is that? Is that a monkey? Is that a monkey? Looks like it. Yes, it is. And a duck. Oh my goodness. This is a fun book. We got a lot of stuff in this book. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Airplanes, tops, jackknives, pictures, puzzles, books, and every kind of thing boys or girls could want. Yeah, I bet you're saying, I want some of those. I want some. Nope. Nah, you can have them. You can have them. But that was not all. That was not all. Some of the cars were filled with all sorts of good things for boys and girls to eat. Big golden oranges. See that? Red checked apples. See that? Bottles of creamy milk for their breakfast. Yes. Here's the milk. There it is. What are those? What are those? These. Do you know what those are? You do? Okay. Fresh spinach. We forgot that part. Fresh spinach for their dinners. Oh, do y'all like spinach? I do. I really like spinach. Matter of fact, I got 2 bags of spinach in the refrigerator. Peppermint drops and lollipops for after meal treats. Yes, look at that. Isn't that awesome? So the train is carrying a lot of stuff. Yes. The little train was carrying all these wonderful things to the good little boys and girls on the other side of the mountain. See? All those wonderful things the train was carrying to the good little boys and girls on the other side of the mountain. Are you a good boy? Are you a good girl? Yes, you are. I know you are. Okay. She puffed along merrily. Then all of a sudden, she stopped with a jerk. She simply could not go another inch. She tried and she tried, but her wheels, they would not turn. Uh-oh, you see her? You see the train where she stopped? She had to stop. Yes. What were all those good little boys and girls on the other side of the mountain going to do without the wonderful toys to play with and the good food to eat? What were they going to do? Because the train had stopped and it could not get those wonderful foods and things to the little boys and the little girls. Now the question was, or is, what is a train going to do? Do you know? You probably do already know, but we're going to talk about it some more. Here comes a shiny, shiny new engine. Said the little funny clown who jumped out of the train. Let's ask him to help us. So all the dolls and the toys cried out together. I wonder what they were saying. Help us, help us, help us. That's probably what they were saying. Yes. See that shiny new engine? Yes. Please, this is what they were saying. Please, shiny new engine, won't you please pull over our train over the mountain? Our engine has broken down, and the boys and the girls on the other side won't have any toys to play with or good food to eat unless you help us. They were concerned and they were worried. Yes. Don't you get like that sometimes? A little bit concerned when things happen. And when things happen, we seek what? Help. Yes. Oh, look at that. But the shiny new engine snorted. I pull you? I'm a passenger engine. I have just carried a fine big train over the mountain with more cars than you ever dreamed of. My train has sleeping cars with comfortable berths, a dining car where waiters bring whatever hungry people want to eat, and parlor cars in which people sit in soft armchairs and look out of big plate glass windows. I pull the likes of you? Indeed not. And off he steamed to the roundhouse where engines live when they are not busy. So he went over to the roundhouse. He left them. Wow. How sad the little train and all the dolls and the toys felt. Then the little clown called out, "The passenger engine is not..." That's what the little clown said. "It's not the only one in the world." Somebody is using their head. Here is another engine coming. A great big strong one. Let us ask him to help us. See that big old engine right there? Over there. There he is. That big engine. Yes. That's the one. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. Ooh, the little toy clown waved his flag, and the big strong engine came to a stop. He stopped. Please, please, big engine, cried all the dolls and toys together. Won't you please pull our train over the mountain? Our engine has broken down, and the good little boys and girls on the other side won't have any toys to play with or good food to eat unless you help us. Sounds like a problem. But the big strong engine hollered, I'm a freight engine. He said he's a freight engine. I have just pulled. That's him talking. He's talking to them. Can you see him? Yes, there we go. So he's talking to them. He said, I have just pulled a big train loaded with big machines over the mountain. These machines print books and newspaper for grown-ups to read. I'm a very important engine indeed. I won't pull the likes of you. And the freight engine pulled off. Oh my. So, there were a couple of them that did not want to help. Yeah. Indignantly, he pulled off to the roadhouse. Wow. He did. He pulled off. The little train and all the dolls and toys were very, very sad. How do you look when you get sad? Show me your sad face. Yeah. Cheer up, cried the little toy clown. The freight engine is not the only one in the world. Wow. Look, here comes another one. He looks very old and tired, but our train is so little. Perhaps he can help us. Perhaps he can help us. So the little toy clown, he waved his flag, and the dingy, rusty old engine, see him? What did he do? The engine stopped. Oh, wow. Please, kind engine, cried all the dolls and the toys together. Won't you please pull our train over there, over the mountains? Our engine has broke down, and the boys and girls on the other side won't have any toys to play with or good food to eat unless you help us. But the rusty old engine sighed. I'm so tired. I must rest my weary wheels. I cannot pull even a little train as yours over the mountains. I cannot. I cannot. He said he could not. Well, let's see. And off he rumbled to the roadhouse chugging. I cannot. Then indeed the little train was very, very sad and the dolls and the toys, they were ready to cry. Oh, look at that. Though sometimes some things make you sad or cry when you can't get any help. They do, don't they? But the little clown called out, "Here is another engine." Coming, a little blue engine, a very little one. Maybe she will help us. The very little engine came, chugging merrily along. When she saw the toy clown's flag, she stopped quickly. Oh my. "What is the matter, my friends?" she asked kindly. "Oh, little blue engine," cried the dolls and the toys, "will you pull us over the mountain? Our engine has broke down, and the good boys on the other side, the good boys and girls on the other side, won't have any toys to play with or good food to eat unless you help us. Please, please help us." Oh, my. You think that little engine is going to help them after everybody else turned them down? What do you say? Yes or no? Okay. All right. Well, we'll see. We will see. Here we go. "I'm not very big," said the little blue engine. "They use me only for switching trains in the yard. I have never been over the mountain." "But we must get over the mountain before the children awake," said all the dolls and the toys. The very little engine looked up and saw the tears in the doll's eyes. And she thought of the good little boys and girls on the other side of the mountain who would not have any toys. See that? Or good food to eat. She thought about them over in the village. You see them over there? Yes. She thought about them. She said, "They won't have any toys or any good food to eat unless I help them." Then she said, guess what she said? "I think I can, I think I can, I think I can." And she hitched herself to the little train. She tugged and pulled and pulled and tugged, and slowly they started off. Oh, isn't that awesome? Isn't that awesome? Wow. The toy clown jumped aboard. He jumped aboard. You see him getting in there? Yes. He jumped aboard. And all the dolls and the toy animals began to smile and cheer. Hooray! Hooray! Yay! Puff, puff. Chug, chug. Went the little blue engine. "I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can." Huh? I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. You see that? All the animals and the toys and stuff on the train. Wow. Up, up, up. Faster and faster and faster and faster. The little engine climbed until at last They reached the top of the mountain. Down in the valley lay the city. Huh? Look at that. They're going up and up and up. The little blue train. Hooray! Hooray! Cried the funny little clown. And all the dolls and toys, the good little boys and girls in the city will be happy because you helped us. Kind little blue engine. The little engine that could. The end. So, boys and girls, if you're seeking out help or looking for somebody to help you do something and they turn you down, you keep seeking because that one person says no, another person says no. Now I'm talking about help. I'm not talking about mama, daddy, can I have this? No, I'm talking about help, okay? So even though you may be small, but one day you will get bigger. But don't give up. Don't give up. And the smallest engine of them all, yes, she thought she could. She said, I think I can. I think I can. And whatever you want to do, whatever you want to become in life, you can. If you think it, you can achieve it. Huh? Yes! I love this one. The little engine that could. Just like you. You're the little engine that could. Yes. Thank you for sharing that with me today. Yes. Because it's Judy's story time. It's Judy's story time. Till next time, be safe, be good, and be well. Bye-bye.